Hi, this is Annie Zeidman-Karpinski, the Human Physiology Librarian, and I wanted to show you a couple things about how to use the library's resources. So hopefully by now you have a pretty good sense that there are scholarly articles out there that can be high quality sources. So I wanted to show you where you might be able to get them here at the University of Oregon. I'm starting at the University of Oregon's homepage where you can click on libraries, or however you want to get to the libraries. A Google search will certainly work. And here we have the lovely newly redesigned U of O Libraries homepage. Here, this will give you a general search, and this will actually, here will turn up some articles, but I wanted to show you this Articles and Databases bar. If you click on that, you get this new Search Articles and Databases by Subject. So you can search by subject if you wanted, but we're just going to do a general and interdisciplinary search. And we're going to look for something like body composition. I'm going to add a search term. And how about resistance training? I'm going to search. And I want you to notice that it is doing a search of these 4 databases: Academic Search Premier, JSTOR, Project Muse, and Web of Science. And you see it's found lots of different results for body composition and resistance training. And then once it's done all of that, it will put them all together and give you a nice list of 120. These are sorted by relevance, but you could also ask for them to be sorted by the date or an author if you wanted. We also searched all fields for body composition and resistance training, but you could look for title or author, year, things like that. Let's take a look at one of these records. Here's one that's written in Portuguese. Here's one 6-month trial of resistance training with milk supplementation in adolescents, effects on body composition, and it says it's an article from a peer-reviewed journal. Pretty cool. So it tries to tell you when it is from a peer-reviewed journal. So I wanted to look at this one, Effective Resistance and Aerobic Training on Regional Body Composition on Previously Recreationally Trained Middle-Aged Women. You might find that you know some middle-aged women in your life. This was written in 2006, and it says the full text is available, but let's just take a quick look at this record. Clicking on that, it says it's coming from in the database Web of Science, but the journal that it's in is Applied Physiology, Nutrition, and Metabolism, and then it's written again in French. And if we click on this Find Text button, anytime you see Find Text, it'll tell you what we have here at the University of Oregon, what we've paid for, and then how we can get it for you if we don't have access to it ourselves. So it's connecting to Find Text. And here, this is a list. So it's available full text from these sources. It also could be available on the shelves. And it will also send you to this ORIX periodicals directory, which will tell you if it's peer-reviewed. So I'm going to click on this. It's going to bring up another page. And here it is. I'm going to click on that PDF Plus because it will have some additional resources for me. And here's the article. And hopefully you can tell from this that it's looking a whole lot like one of those scholarly articles that you've been learning about. Okay, thanks.